Hello and welcome back to Language Player's How-To series. In this video, I'll show you how the video details panel works and how episode navigation works. Let's get started. So here to the left, we can see we have this icon right here. It's a circle with an eye inside, eye for information. So if you tap on this eye icon, we can get some information about this video. We see the title of the video, as well as the channel card of the video. So if you want to see more videos from the same channel, just tap on this card. And underneath that, we can see that this video has 1.21 million views, 7.8K likes, 549 comments on YouTube. If you want to see this video on YouTube, just tap on this green YouTube icon right here. Or when the video is being played, you can tap on this YouTube button over here when it's not obscured by the playback bar. And next to that is our intelligent guess of how difficult the video is. We estimated this as HSK2 based on our word frequency analysis, lexical diversity analysis of this video. And we concluded that this video is probably like a beginner video. And next to that is the locale of the video. It's actually a traditional Chinese locale video. We have transformed the traditional Chinese characters into simplified because that is in your settings, right? So if you set that as traditional, then it will be presented to you as traditional. And next to that is the category of the video. In this case, it's music. So if you tap on that, you can see other videos also under the category of music. And underneath that are some actionable buttons. To the left is a YouTube icon. If you tap on that, it will bring you to YouTube. It will open the video in YouTube. And next to that is a Spotify icon and Apple Music icons. Because this is a music video, we show these two icons to help you quickly open this video in Spotify or in Apple Music. And next to that is a Retranslate button. Sometimes the translation of the video might be even missing or inaccurate. You can tap on Retranslate to get a better translation of the subtitles. Next to that is download subs. You can click on that and download a SRT file of the subtitles. And next to that is add to playlist, which you can add to your favorite playlists. And I'll cover that in a later video. If you're looking at the TV show episode, on the other hand, then this eye icon will be changed to a stack of cards icon. It's what I call the episode navigator icon. If you tap on that, you see the episode navigator panel. So here again, you have the basic information of the video, and this video is estimated as HSK6. It's got the locale as well as the category and the date. And underneath that, of course, we don't have the Spotify and Apple Music icons anymore because this is not a music video. And then under that, we have this bar that you haven't seen before, and that is called the Episode Navigator bar. This tells you that this video is from a show, a TV show called Go Ahead, 一家人之名. And if you tap on that, it will go to the list of episodes of this TV show for you to pick from. So that's all the episodes of this particular show. And next to that is the next button. So if you tap on the next button, because this is the first episode, so there's no previous episode, but if you tap on the next episode button, it will navigate you to the next episode of the TV show. There's a list of episodes right here. There's a list of 6 episodes, right? So if you want to go to the list of all episodes, you can just tap on this all 40. In the case the video is not associated with the show, if you tap on the I button, then you'll see related videos under here. All right, so that's how you can make use of the video details panel and the episode navigation bar. I'll see you in the next video.